Okay, we're going to talk about how do plants use energy from the sun. We're talking about transfer of energy in food chains, and the first thing that we need is to get some energy into plants. And plants use energy from the sun in a process called photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is a huge word, and just like most science word, it means something very simple. Photo just means light, and synthesis is make. So plants make things from light. And if you look at a plant, it has leaves, and those leaves, the purpose of a leaf is to make food. So we make food in a leaf. And I like to call the leaves the food factories. And it's pretty simple. That food is made in these leaves, and it's made from a couple of really easy things. The first thing that we need to make food in a plant is light energy from the sun. Okay, so light energy comes down from the sun, and similarly, heat energy comes down from the sun, and heat energy causes the water cycle to start. So light energy is needed to make the plant make food. So I'm going to just make a little equation over here. So a plant needs light energy. It also needs water, and the plant gets water coming up from its stems, or the roots. So there's little water molecules in the soil, and the water molecules get taken up by the roots, sent up through the stem, the transport system, and into the leaves. So we need light and water. And we also need carbon dioxide, which is readily available in the atmosphere. Don't forget, it's a gas that's in the atmosphere. It's a greenhouse gas. And it's also a waste product of our respiration. So we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. So the plant actually breathes in carbon dioxide. So it takes carbon dioxide in. So a plant needs those three things to make food. I'll just make some room here. So if we have light, water, and carbon dioxide in the leaf of a plant, the plant produces food and oxygen. So if you look, the carbon dioxide goes into the plant, and what comes out? Oxygen. And that's why plants are so important on our planet, because they take in the carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas. It's a poisonous gas. It's not a good gas. It's like a pollutant. And it lets out oxygen, and oxygen is what we need to breathe. So plants are very, very beneficial to us. So this is the first stage in the energy transfer cycle, is plants making food through photosynthesis. And when plants make food, that makes them producers. So all plants are called producers. And don't forget, plant starts with a P, and producer starts with a P. So P producer, P plant, P producer, P plant.